Hello everyone, and welcome to Diamond Painting Reviews by Jene. Tonight I have a very special unboxing. This box that you see is actually friend mail, and this comes from Trinidad. A very special friend and someone I consider a sister sent this to me, and I am so honored. There's a bit of a story here, and I'm just going to make it as short and sweet and condensed as possible. I have gotten very close to a creator the last couple of months. That creator is Island Girl DP Journal. Her name is Charlene, and we started really getting to know each other back in November. And I had sent her a diamond painting from the Diamond Art Club, the glowing Christmas tree, and I'm a true believer in paying it forward. And Charlene had reached out to me in a very crucial time. So when we started talking, like I said, in November, she had said to me that she really wanted to purchase the glowing Christmas tree, but because of certain circumstances she wasn't able to do so. Now that was on November 9th, and as I said, I'm a true believer of paying it forward. So when she was talking to me about that, I was on Diamond Art Club's website and I purchased the painting for her and had it shipped to her. Now the reason why I did that is because, as I said, she reached out to me in a very crucial time in my life, and I wanted to do something for her. So when she did the unboxing for that painting, she had mentioned that she was going to send me a box. And this is it. I'm so excited to take a look at it and see what's inside. Now she had emailed me a couple of nights ago, and you know, I just saw her name, so I thought, oh, I'm gonna open it. It's from Charlene. And I didn't read the subject, which says open when you receive your box. Oops. So I opened it before I received the box, and I read it, but I really feel kind of stupid that I didn't notice the subject. Anyway, she had said that she sent it off, I believe, on Monday, and I got a notification from the carrier saying that it would arrive on Friday the 7th. Well, today's the 5th, and it arrived today. So I'm really excited to take a look at this box and see what she has sent me. As you can see, there's lots of tape on this box. Canada Customs decided that they were going to open it too. So I decided that before I started recording that I was going to at least cut through some of this tape. So let's go ahead and jump into this box and let's see what's inside this, because I'm really excited to see what Charlene had sent me. So here we go. Now, I promise I won't cry, because I've already gotten really teary when I got the box. So okay, here we go. Oh, look at all the candy. Ooh, let's look at this first. What is this? Zero, I like this. 0 fat, 0 cholesterol, and 0 sodium. Yes. Wow. Okay, that's one. And then we've got, look at this. This is butternut. Ooh, that looks really good. Now, I'm going to have to say this. I'm going to have to hide this and put it in a hiding spot that Mr. Review can't find this stuff, because he will definitely dip into it. This is, I'm not even going to try to pronounce this word, but this is natural fruit candy with salt and chili. Ooh, that sounds interesting. Yep, definitely going to hide that from Mystery View. Oh, there's 2 of them in here. Oh, wow. All right. Okay. Cocoa Crisp. Oh, yes. This will definitely be hidden. Milk chocolate with tender coconut and crisp rice. Ooh, that sounds good. All right. Then we have Nutcracker. Yeah, that'll be hidden. Ooh, another one. Oh, look at this. You get. Oh my gosh, Charlene, what did you do? Oh my gosh, look at all of this. Yum, yum. Banderilla? What is this? This is natural fruit candy with salt and chili. Ooh, you know, that really sounds interesting. I've had candy with salt, but not chili. So this is going to be interesting, but I am going to definitely try this one out too. And it says saturated fat, 0. Fat, 0. This is the type of candy I like. That's right. Now, if it could say 0 calories, but we know that doesn't happen. All right, then we have, ooh, banana chips. Oh, and they're plantain. Oh, oh my, oh, this is definitely going to be open tonight. Oh, yum. Okay, that's, okay. This cracked open. So what is, this is plantain chips too, lightly salted. Since it's opened, we're going to try one. Ooh, these are good. Mmm. Oh my gosh. Oh, yeah. Definitely very, very good. Okay. Then we have Caribbean Delight coconut cookies. Ooh. I love coconut. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Okay. Okay, now we're getting into some other stuff here. Let's see, what's this? Ooh, Trinidad and Tobago. Look at that. That is really nice. And this is going to go with me to work. I have a special place I'm going to put this. Wow, that is beautiful. Oh, I would love to go to Trinidad. Oh my gosh. All right, let's see what we have. Ooh, what's this? Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, that is gorgeous. Oh, look at this. It's beautiful. Oh my gosh. That is gorgeous. Oh, Charlene, this is beautiful. Okay, let's see what else we have here. Oh, isn't this cute? Oh, I love these things. That is beautiful. Look at this. That is nice. Okay, so that's that. Okay, what is this? This looks like a diamond painting pen. Let's see what we got. Oh, wow. Oh, I love it. This is beautiful. Oh, thank you. Thank you so, so much. Look at that. That is just gorgeous. Oh, Thank you so much. Beautiful colors, beautiful pin. So we're going to put this over here. Oh, okay. There is a card here, so that is beautiful. Look at this card. Isn't that gorgeous? Okay, it says, Jene, hope you like the trinkets and enjoy the snacks. Thank you for being a friend and a soul sister. Love and hugs, Charlene. Thank you so, so much, Charlene. Oh my gosh. Oh, I don't, there's just no words. And okay, the rest of the stuff here is, whew, okay, I'm starting to shake a little bit. So if I get a little bit emotional, please forgive me. Okay. Oh, wow. Look at this. Oh my gosh. Oh, wow. Oh, this is beautiful. Look at these cover minders. Oh, look at that. Those are beautiful. Oh, wow. Oh, thank you so, so much. Oh my gosh. And I still have some left. Okay, I'm just going to put these over here. Those are beautiful. Okay, look at this. Oh, this is adorable. Wow. Oh my gosh, look at that. Isn't that cute? Oh my gosh. I love it. Oh, that is so special. Okay. And we got one here. Now this looks like a stand. And let's put that over there. Let's take a look. Oh, Charlene, this is gorgeous. Oh, wow. Look at this. Isn't that beautiful? I know exactly where this is going. I have a cameo, or I think they're called cameos, in my living room that has all of my Mexican trinkets that I've brought back from Mexico, and this will fit right in. Thank you so, so much. This is so beautiful. Okay, put that there. All right. And let's see. Oh, wow. This is gorgeous. And it's a keychain. Thank you. Thank you. Charlene, oh my gosh. Wow. All right, and then we've got this box here. Oh my God. Wow. These are beautiful. Oh my gosh. These are gorgeous. I don't know if you'll be able to hear. Let me take them out. Wow, these are just beautiful. Just beautiful. Oh, definitely wasn't expecting this. Wow. I am so lost for words. Okay, everyone, I am so sorry. I had to pause the camera so I can collect myself. These are just amazing, amazing gifts. And as I said before, not expected at all. Charlene, if you're watching, oh my God, there's no words to thank you for what you've done and for just your friendship. And I just, there's no words. Thank you so much. So by saying that, everyone, I'm going to go ahead and end the video. If you like the video, please let me know by giving me that thumbs up. I'd greatly appreciate it. Also, if you're new to the channel, a big howdy and welcome. If you like what you see and you like what you heard, I hope that you'll consider subscribing to the channel. If you do subscribe, please don't forget to hit the bell that is right next door. That bell will let you know when I've uploaded my next video. So everyone, by saying that, if it is morning for you, I hope you have a very pleasant morning. If it's afternoon for you, have an excellent rest of your afternoon. And if it's evening for you, have a very relaxing evening. Again, my name's Jene, and thank you for spending some time with me tonight on the review. We'll talk again real soon. Take care, everyone. Bye.